this video, we will demonstrate how to replace most flapper and D-pull style handles and cables. The flapper and D-pull handles function the same but mount in a different location. Flapper style mounts on the outside arm. The D-pull style mounts in between the cushions. We will be demonstrating with the flapper style. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and the replacement handle and cable. First, pull the handle to open the ottoman. Remove the wood screws holding the handle in place. For flapper style, these will be located on the outside arm. For the D-pull, it will be in between the cushions. Save the screws. Screws are not included with the replacement handle and cable. Gently pull out the handle. Flip the recliner on its back. For the next step, you will need to access the bottom end of the cable that connects to the chair. Look under the recliner and find the end of the cable. It is attached to the mechanism release trigger in two places. First, release the S-tip. To do this, pull the mechanism release trigger towards you. This releases the tension on the recliner cable. Remove the S-tip. Now you need to remove the mechanism release clip. You will need the needle nose pliers for this. Squeeze the clip and push the clip out of the slot. This may take a little patience and determination as it will be a snug fit. The handle and cable should now be free. Pull the cable out of the hole. Now we simply reverse the process. Feed the replacement cable in the hole. Push the mechanism clip into the slot of the mechanism release trigger. Pull the trigger towards you and put the S-tip into the hole of the mechanism release trigger. Flip the recliner to the upright position. Seat the handle. Make sure to line up the holes. Put in the wood screws. Test the new recliner handle and cable to ensure that it works properly. So that is how to replace most flapper and D-pull style handles and cables. If you have any questions or need parts, give us a call, send us an email, or visit us at www.Recliner-Handles.com. We are here to help.